Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make bottle gourd fritters or Lauki ke pakode. It's a very delicious snack which you can have with tea or coffee and enjoy your evening time. At first I have taken medium-sized bottle gourd. Here you can see I have grated it and removed excess water by squeezing it out. Also we need some chopped onion 1 medium sized, chopped green chilli 1 tablespoon, gram flour 4 tablespoons for binding, and pinch of baking soda, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, and some ajwain. Also we need some chopped coriander leaves. At first in the grated Lauki, one by one I will add green chilies, chopped onions, 4 tablespoon gram flour, next I will add all the powdered masala. Next I will add some salt. Now I will add some rice flour to make it more crispy and crunchy, and mix it well with clean hands. Mixture is ready. Now in the end I am going to add chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Next in a kadai I am heating 1 cup of refined oil, and one by one I am going to fry the pakodas till it turns golden brown, and we have to fry it in medium heat. Friends, pakoras are ready. Now I'm going to serve it in a serving plate. Friends, the pakoras are ready. It is really looking delicious and mouth-watering. You must also try this at home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you, take care. Bye-bye. Happy cooking.